As you know that Facebook has changed the interference and the UI design, and there are a lot of functionality which may be replaced or relocated in different places. Therefore, if you are running a Facebook group and you want to welcome new members in the Facebook group, first you were like finding that in right hand side of your group, but right now we cannot find anything here. Therefore, I will quickly take you through those options. Now you have like one option here, and it is like 3 dots. When you are going to click, then you will get here a new member these weeks and write welcome post. Or if you are like in your home of manage group and like in your group, then you can directly click on members, and here you have the same option, and you are going to write like welcome a post, and here is let's welcome our new freelancer. I will write, okay, new freelancer, and I will also write please make sure to watch please make sure to watch free freelancing tutorial. And I will also give like youtube.com/c/Jamshed Raza. Okay, now when I'm going to just post that, and it will give, or it will just send notification to all 91 members which I have welcomed them, and this week they just came here, and you can see all of those are here. And therefore it is like very easy to boost your post. Like if you are promoting your YouTube or promoting something else, then you can directly do that with this welcome in your Facebook group. I hope you get the idea. If you have any question, just write that in comment box below. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel for more amazing video, you can subscribe. We are going to just upload on different videos, then you will get a very useful information as well. Thank you everyone. It's me, Jamshed Raza. Goodbye.